Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I'm starting to think that maybe Usne was asked by production to kind of talk in on this matter of the virgin Gampumelelo because at this point it's just not making sense to me. Firstly, Usne is the one who brings up this whole topic of the virgin of Pumelelo was virgin and basically, asking questions of why Vuyogas is no longer around, asking Utirelo, what's your thoughts around the virgin Tonton? I'm really starting to think that production actually asked Usne to bring up that matter at Sun City for some sort of content. Because even when she was confronted about the whole thing, when Wabongo was asking her, like, why were you like so adamant to know? She got angry and she walked away. And I'm like, if indikalwe and you know your business, like why wouldn't you be willing to stand up for it? Not only that, guys, the trailer of the next episode of Izingane Zestim, Snare says something, and I'm just like, make it make sense. It's not making sense to me. It just sounds like someone was told to say something and they just kind of running with that narrative. But I don't know. So Snare is basically sitting with her friend and they are obviously in Sun City, and across from her is Umelelo and Uviki. They're having some sort of conversation. I'm interested to see what would even bring the four of them to a point where they're having a conversation. But Snap basically says Umpumelelo wants a virgin because he wants to build a family. And I'm like, how does that make it make sense? I don't know, guys. Maybe when we get to watch the actual episode, there's gonna be content. Not content. There's gonna be a context to what Usne said. But I'm just like, even if there's a context, how does that make sense? Because can Umpumelelo not build a family without or outside of a virgin? I don't get it if she was trying to defend Umelelo from Uviki because Viki's there defending her friend, which was Uvuyogazi. I don't know. At this point, I'm just like, guys, utin usne and itin in dabayaki. Like, oh, look, what is Ne's contribution in this whole thing? Maybe they chose Usne to bring up this topic or to touch on this topic because she's the only one who maybe seems a bit controversial. Uabongwe would have never agreed to do it. Umpilo, I don't see Umpilo doing it. Unwale, I don't see him doing it. So the three of them, they don't really have characteristics to do that. Umpilo can be spicy, but she's not that type of person that enganas people's dabas. So the only possible person that I see bring it up who is fit for the role is Usme. I really truly do think production asked her to do that because I'm like, nah, like it's just not balancing for me. Even previously, I've never seen Usne into people's business like that. So I don't even know why would she suddenly be interested in this whole thing of the virgins and whatnot. But unless again she was close with Uvuyogazi, so maybe she was the fit person. I really don't know. I really don't know, but it's just, I don't know. It's just giving me vibes that like Snare's just all over. And because she's all over, nah, man, this thing is staged. This thing is planned. But I guess they do plan the convos that are gonna get spoken about. And there's certain things that come that don't make it to television. But nah, like someone said, the storyline is getting boring, and it is. I'm glad it's coming to an end, but I'm just curious to know like what is the strategy gonna be next season? Because this whole season we are running on a strategy that they closed off the last season with. So we'll see. I really hope even next season we'll get to see more of Unosipho, because what's the point of talking about a virgin, and then waiting next season to come? As I said, that's the same strategy Utando Nestembu used. They were talking about wife number five, wife number five. We waited like seasons and seasons till wife number five. This season ended with something that looked like wife number five being introduced, but we really don't know. So I really don't know, guys. Yeah, sabon. But anyway, indaba kaSne ayizwakali, angimuzwa ke uSne ukuthi uthini, and what is the input in this whole thing. Anyway, guys, please tell me what you think about Usne. Do you think really it's coming from her, it's production, or what is going on with Snape? Because I'm not getting it at this point. So why is she even still pushing this whole matter? Because she walked off the other day. She said she's leaving the whole show. She said she's going back home. Why is she back talking about this issue again? I don't get it. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.